going to tell you why. In fact, I'm going to tell you more than why. I'm going to take you to a place where you will question things you'd always assumed to be true. This journey through fantastic numbers will begin with the biggest numbers in the universe and a quest to understand what is known as the holographic truth. Are 3 dimensions just an illusion? Are we trapped inside a hologram? To understand this question, punch the air around you. You should probably make sure you aren't sitting too close to anyone, but punch forward and backwards, left and right, and up and down. You can punch your way through 3 dimensions of space, 3 perpendicular directions. Or can you? The holographic truth asserts that one of these dimensions is a fake. It is as if the world is a 3D movie. The real images are trapped on a 2-dimensional screen, but when the audience puts on their glasses, a 3D world suddenly emerges. In physics, as I will explain in the first half of this book, the 3D glasses are provided by gravity. It is gravity that creates the illusion of a 3rd dimension. It was only by taking gravity to its extreme that we became aware of its sorcery. But then, this is a book of extremes. Our quest to understand the holographic truth begins, inevitably, with Albert Einstein. His genius, the perverse brilliance of relativity, and the underlying structure of space and time. Of course, I have a number for his genius. 1 point, then 15 zeros, 858. And yes, I'm calling this a big number. I imagine you are sceptical, but hopefully I'll convince you that it is a huge number, at least if you think about the physics it represents. One man's ability to meddle with time. To really understand why, we'll need to run alongside the legendary Jamaican sprinter, Usain Bolt. We'll need to plunge to the depths of the Pacific Ocean, to the deepest part of the Mariana Trench. We'll have to go to the edge of physics, dancing dangerously close to a monstrous black hole as it guzzles greedily on the stars and planets at the centre of a distant galaxy. But relativity and black holes are just the beginning. To find the holographic truth, we will need 4 more Leviathans. Genuine numerical gargantua that come to life whenever they collide with the physical world. From a Google to a Googleplex. From Graham's number to Tree 3. These are the titanic numbers that will appear to break physics. But the truth is they will guide us in our understanding. They will teach us the meaning of entropy, so often misunderstood, which describes the turbulent physics of secret and disorder. They will introduce us to quantum mechanics, the lord of the microworld, where nothing is certain and everything is a game of chance. The story will be told with tales of doppelgangers in far-off realms and warnings of a cosmic reset when everything in our universe returns, inevitably, to the way it once was. In the end, in this land of giants, we will find it. A holographic reality. Our reality. I am a child of the holographic truth. It was an idea that took off around the time I scored 0 in my coursework, although I knew nothing about it back then. By the time I started my doctorate about 5 years later, it was fast becoming the most important idea to be developed in fundamental physics in almost half a century. Everyone in physics seemed to be talking about it. Everyone is still talking about it. They are asking deep and important questions about black holes and quantum gravity, and, in the holographic truth, they are finding answers. There was something else everyone was talking about back then, as we were getting ready to usher in a new millennium. The mystery of our finely tuned and unexpected universe. You see, ours is a universe that simply should not exist. It's a universe that has let us live, that has given us a chance of survival against all the odds. It's where we will go in the second part of this book, guided not by Leviathans.